I'm gonna show you how as a first-time home equestrian property buyer, gonna blow your budget through that barn roof. Stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel. If you have horses, like and subscribe. If you don't have horses, like and subscribe. We're talking all things horse property buying, first-time home buyers in Davie. Let's start with common mistakes first-time buyers make, starting with infrastructure. Not accounting for fencing, drainage, footing, and barns always cost more than expected. Next, the fix-it-later mentality never works out in the long run. Temporary solutions become permanent money pits. Let me give you a real-world example. You had a leak in your barn, you decided to temporarily throw a tarp on it, you forgot about it through the season, you've got rotted wood, and now you're forced to replace the whole roof. Now on to the next mistake buyers often make, property, land, maintenance. They never think about this. Is my grass too tall? Is my property too muddy? Is my fence falling apart? These are all great things to consider when looking at your next property. Now on to the boring part, insurance and liability. These things you never think about. Coverage requirements for your horses, your home, your structures. If you're not careful, all these things could blow up your budget. So horse lovers, you're either gonna buy a good property for a great price or pay for the mistakes and buy the cheapest one. If you can't make that decision or you're not sure about it, call me, Adam Bursztein. Let me help you buy the best property out on the market today.